Hello everyone. Welcome back to Geography class. Previous class we're discussing about the chapter Industries. Last class we learned what is industry, three sectors of industry, importance of industries. Today let's move on to types of industries. Industries are almost as varied as the products they produce. Based on the parameters being used, industries can be classified into different ways. What is parameter? It is a limit or boundary which defines the scope of a particular process or activity. So, based on this, it can be classified into different ways. That is, on the basis of scale, on the basis of raw materials. First, let's say on the basis of scale. Industries can be classified on the basis of scale, that is, size, into three types. That is, cottage industries, small scale industries, and large scale industries. First, let's see what is cottage industries. Cottage industries, by the name itself, we can find out it is something small, cottage. Cottage industries are mainly home based industries where goods are produced using simple tools rather than complex machineries. Cottage industries are usually labor intensive. What is meant by labor? It requires physical work, that is, workers in general. So, here cottage industries require many workers. Here, most of the people are from same family, that is, members of same family or people of neighborhood. Many of these industries engage in traditional handicrafts like pottery, weaving, carpentry, and sculpture. Cottage industries continue to provide employment to a large section of the rural population. Sometimes during exhibition or sale, we can observe this type of cottage industrial products which are kept for sale. Next is small scale industries. Small scale industries are those that use a limited amount of capital, that is finance or money. So this money is more than that used by a cottage industry but much less than that used by a large scale industry. A small number of hired workers. Who are hired workers? Are those who are employed by others and receive a salary as compensation for their work. And some machinery. Small scale industries manufacture a wide range of products such as garments, processed food. What is processed food? It is canned, frozen, or packaged food, tools, furniture, and electronic goods. Next is large scale industries. By the name itself, you can make out it is large. These are characterized by huge capital investment. As these are large scale industries, it requires more finance or more money to invest. Heavy mechanization and modern technology. The workforce here is huge and production is on a very large scale. Raw material and end products, that is, finished products, are often transported across large distances, sometimes including overseas. Large scale industries also require specially trained people to manage the production activities. Nowadays, the increasing use of highly sophisticated machines in production process has resulted in a sharp reduction in the number of workers employed in factories. This is about on the basis of scale. Next, let's see on the basis of raw material how industries are classified. On the basis of raw material, they are classified as agro-based industries, forest-based industries, and mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries use agricultural produce as raw materials. Industries that process cotton, cereals, jute, and sugarcane are examples of agro industries. Why these are used? The finished product of cotton or cotton clothes. Cereals is used industrially in the production of wide range of substances such as glucose, adhesives, oils, and alcohols. Jute. It is used in clothes, ropes, carpets, etc. And sugarcane is used to make jaggeries, raw sugar, refined sugar, etc. So these are all examples of agro industries. So are industries that acquire raw materials from seas and oceans and process them, such as the seafood processing and canning industries. Industries that derive raw materials from livestock and cattle, such as the dairy and wool industries, are also example of agro industries. Next is forest-based industries. This process raw materials derived from forest like timber, paper, rubber, and furniture or some products of forest based industries. Industries that use rubber are examples of forest based industries. Rubber is used in many industries: automotive, construction, footwear, toys, sports goods, and adhesives are few. Mineral based industries. They rely on minerals as raw materials. The iron and steel and cement industries are mineral based industries. So, these are all the types of industries. Learn well. See you in the next class. Thank you.